What's up? Welcome to Vegetarian. Today we're cooking recipe from Veggy.
Hey guys, I'm Yuumi. I'm a new vegan. Today I'm cooking Tandoori Cauliflower. Vegetarian, start!
So just like she said, today we're making Tandoori Cauliflower. We are cooking a new recipe from the magazine Veggy, which has tons of great information, and we are here to share it. The recipe is surprisingly simple, but amazingly delicious. So let's just take a quick look at these 3 steps. Okay, did you take a good memo? Now let's go over the ingredients first. Cauliflower, tonkatsu sauce, it's just too fast. Let's go over one by one. Curry powder, 2 tablespoons. Paprika powder, 1 tablespoon. Ginger powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt rice malt, 2 teaspoons. Tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. Soy yogurt, 200 grams. Tonkatsu sauce, 1 tablespoon. Garlic, 1 teaspoon. Sweet sake, 1 teaspoon. And of course, 1 piece of cauliflower.
それではまずカリフラワーをしっかりと洗っていきたいと思います。
Okay, now let's have a cauliflower to take a shower. Then, let's chop them to tiny portions, the size that you prefer. Maybe something like this. Watch and learn. Here comes the exciting part. We grate the garlic with a nice professional looking thing. They grate anything and everything with a matter of seconds. Now, put the rest of the ingredients into a bowl and mix it like a pro. Remember, mixing is an art.
今回ちょっと購入したカリフラワーがすごく大きかったのでちょっと残っちゃったんですけれども、タレをたっぷりつけないで焼きたい人は全部入れちゃっていいと思うし、ちょっと今回しっかりたっぷりを絡ませたいと思ったので、私は一旦これは使わずに残しておきます。
After mixing cauliflower with the sauce, lay them on a pan and get ready to throw that into an oven.
はい、こんな感じになりました。これを200度に予熱したオーブンで15分から20分焼きたいと思います。じゃあ行きます。うわ
Isn't this magical? With only 15 to 20 minutes of waiting, we have this beautiful cauliflower.
すごい。いい香り。美味しそう。
Alright, so what we gotta do now is place them on a plate just like this. And tala, we officially succeeded with Veggy's recipe. And that's it. It was a simple 3 steps cooking of Tandoori Cauliflower. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next time, sayonara, vegetarian out.